Need a box design? Visit Car Stereo FX Designs and use discount code JacobViral there, as well as at Sky High Cardio, Xplicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
So what's your name, man? What's in here?
Cody, and I got 4 G2 Genesis 15s on a Deep Hitters 9K at 0.5 ohm.
Okay.
Love your videos, man. I watch them all the time.
Thank you. Daily cardio YouTube. Yeah, that's what I try to provide for the cardio community. Very nice, man. Did you build this?
Yeah, I did.
Looks really good.
She helped me put on the fur and the light.
You helped do it. Nice job. I like the fur and the LED system. Splatter design box.
Thank you.
So did you splatter it before the subs were installed?
Yeah. Yep.
Nice. You know the tunings on this?
It was supposed to be 24 in the back and 44 in the front with reverse, but okay. I'm not a professional builder, so I don't know if I hit it right on the nail.
It looks good. Your port area is about a quarter or a third of what your front is. You're good. It looks good. Probably mid-20s and mid-50s or so.
That's good.
Yeah, nice job, man.
Appreciate it.
And alternator and amp battery power. Where are you at on that?
My amp, I have a Deep Hitters 9K. I have 3 Kinetic 2400 batteries, and I have a Brand X 390 alternator. 0 gauge runs, dual runs on my alternator.
Okay. All right. Awesome.
It's not professional, but it's getting there.
It works. Yes, sir.
It's getting there.
Did you do any SPL tests?
I haven't yet.
Oh, good. All right.
Oh yeah, I appreciate you recording it, man.
Yes, sir. Thank you for showing me. Hey, good job with the box, you and him. I like it. Is there a way I can see the back?
Oh yeah, it's not very pretty. I need to clean it up. It was kind of rushed for this show.
It's okay. There we go. Nice. So did the box slide in? Or did you build it? It did? Okay, so it slid right there, and there you go.
It's as tight as you could get it up here, though. I had to pull the door seal up to get it in.
There you go. Optimize your space with the slide in. That works.
I want to rebuild here shortly to add 2 more, but I need to get my electrical all squared away first.
Are these, what group size are they? Do you know?
I'm not for sure.
Or amp hours?
Amp hours, I'm not for sure on the amp hours.
It's all good. Sorry about hitting you with the questions,
man. You're fine.
2400, okay, yep.
I'm still learning all the electrical.
That's okay. And then a Brutal Sounds 9K. Nice. Appreciate the demo, man. Nice to see you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, hey. I'm ready to hear it when you are, man. Sorry for all the questions.
Oh, no, you're fine.
I just like to know the whole system.
Oh, yeah. I watch your videos.
Yes,
I was expected as soon as I seen you walk up.
Yes, sir.
Here's some 18 to 28 here.
Okay. 18 to 28. shots on that one.
Oh, yeah.
That back rear port helps a lot for that 6-order design on that. Nice job.
Thank you.
I really appreciate the demo.
Oh yeah, I appreciate
Yes, sir.
you recording it, man.
Yes, sir. Thank you for showing me. Hey, good job with the box, you and him. I like it. 18 to 28.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.